In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CapCut User ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to identify your unique ID so you can share it confidently when needed for collaboration, templates, or account support. First, open the CapCut app or the desktop editor. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually use for your projects, since the ID is tied to the specific account you're logged into. If you haven't opened CapCut in a while, giving it a moment to load your workspace and syncing any drafts can help everything display correctly. Once CapCut is open, head to your profile. You'll find the profile area in the upper left corner of the interface. It often shows your avatar or a user icon. Click it to open your profile page. This is your account hub, where CapCut groups your identity details, including your display name, profile photo, and the unique identifier we're after. On the profile page, look for your CapCut ID. It typically appears near your display name and is clearly labeled as CapCut ID or shown as a handle style identifier. Think of it as the definitive tag that distinguishes your account from anyone else with a similar display name. While your display name can be changed and might include emojis or stylized text, your CapCut ID is the reliable piece of information people will use to find or verify you. Take a moment to confirm you're reading the correct item. The CapCut ID is often shorter and cleaner than a full URL, and it's placed prominently so you can spot it at a glance. If your profile has additional information like a bio or links, your ID will still be right in that top section. When you find it, make a quick note of it for future reference. If you plan to share it with collaborators, you can also keep a screenshot of the profile section so you don't have to look it up again later. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you manage multiple CapCut accounts, double-check the profile photo and display name so you capture the ID from the correct account. If your interface looks slightly different due to updates or regional layouts, the profile button is still your starting point, and the ID remains on that profile page near your name. And as with any account identifier, share it only with people you trust. That's it. Open CapCut, go to your profile in the upper left, and your CapCut ID will be right there on your profile page. Thanks for watching and happy editing.